Everyone, so today we are going to do one basic lab for the DHCP. Many students are requesting for the DHCP lab, so let me show you that one. So see here, first of all I will design the topology. In that one I am taking one switch. I will connect one switch and I will take some end device. We can connect some our devices, computers, and I will take one server. With the help of this server we are going to give the IP. So in this server we are going to configure the DHCP. So let me connect our machines, whatever our machines we have, that is our computer, to the switch. Okay, so I done here. After that we are going to do some configuration inside the server. With the help of that one, it behave like a DHCP. So I can write like here DHCP server, and I can give here the IP 192.168.1.1 or 1.2. so this is a IP we will give to my machine. So let me go here inside, go to desktop, go to IP config and assign the IP address to this machine. I will write here 192.168.1.1 1.2. as we told, we will give 1.2. gateway we can write, example I will give the gateway later, we can add the gateway also. And DNS, this one I am doing. Gateway we can say router, later we are going to add one router, so we will use this IP to the router. So this way I assign the IP. I can cancel this, I can go to the services, then click the DHCP, and here you can select on, and here if you see by default this configuration is there. You can use this or you can create new also. I am going to use the same thing. Just you need to put here the default gateway. So default gateway we will give 192.168.1.1. DNS we will write here 8.8.8, and here IP should be start from 1.10, and this is a default. How many computer, example we have 100 computer, we don't have the TFTP and WLC controller. Just click save. So this way we do the basic DHCP configuration here. Okay, just I put the gateway and DNS. I use the same pool, only I put here starting IP should be 192.168.1.10, and subnet mask I am using the default, and how many user we have I am saying 100, and click save. That's all. So this way we set up here. After that go to the computer here and click the desktop, click IP config, click DHCP. See here, this IP is getting from the DHCP 192.168.1.10 and 192.168.1.1. so this is a gateway, this is the IP we get. Same thing we can do, we can go here and we can do again. So you can see here we will get this same thing 192.168.1.11, and here if you check this will be get 192.168.1.12. So whatever IP pool we created, from that pool we are getting the IP. So this way we will configure the DHCP in the Cisco packet tracer. So in your project, in your assignment, if you want to do, you can do this way. This is simple. Just you will take the server and you will do the configuration. So in this video we learn how we can configure the DHCP. Here by default you have feature enable. Okay, because here if you go here in this one, by default this feature will be off, so you need to on and make some changes. That's all, and click save. So automatically this machine will start giving the IP. So this one is also good to use in our projects, whatever the projects you are doing for semester and for graduation or for other purpose. You can use this DHCP server because this is important. Easily you can configure, or we can configure in switch, in router also. Later we are going to see in our next video. Thank you. Bye.